Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how we can show repeated row labels in Tableau. So in Tableau there are three ways by which we can show the repeated row labels. So the first method is using the index function. The second method is using the combine field, and the third method is using a combined calculation. So in this video I'm going to explain you all these three methods by which we can show the repeated row labels in Tableau. So let's move ahead and see the process. For this example, we are going to use the Tableau Superstore dataset. And after connecting the Tableau with the Superstore dataset, we will get the table of orders, people, and returns in the data pane. So in this example, we are going to use the orders only. So for example, I want to create a Tableau text table and in which I want to show the sales and quantity for the product subcategory. So first I will drag the category to the rows, then subcategory, and now I'm going to add the measure names to show the sales and the quantity. So for that I will drag the measure names to columns, and after this I will add measure names to the text. And here I don't want this rest of the measures, I just want the sales and the quantity, so I will remove rest of them. And now you will see on the Tableau text table that we are getting category, subcategory, quantity, and sales. And here on the first column we can see the furniture is mentioned only once for all of the subcategory. So how we can repeat the parent category for each category in the row so that we can display the repeated row label for furniture for each subcategory. So for this the first method is using the, so for that you can either create a calculated field and name it as repeat row label, and here you can simply enter the function that is index and click OK. And after this you can add the created calculated field ahead of the dimension in the row shelf. So I will drop it over here. So as of now it is continuous. So it is continuous, we will make it discrete and I will shift it before rest of the dimensions. So now you can see the furniture label is repeated for each of the subcategory. And after this you can also remove this index column if you don't want to see it over here. So to remove the index column, just click on the calculated field in the row shelf and select and uncheck show header. So with this we have removed the values of the index column, and now you can see the repeated row labels for the each subcategory in the category column. So the next method is using the combined field. So here I will remove this and show you how you can do it using the combined field. So for example, here I am using category and the subcategory. So to create a combined field, I have to select both of the dimensions, that is category and subcategory. So for that, press Ctrl and select category and subcategory. And after this, click any of the dimension and then select create. And here select the option combined field. So now you will see one more field is added over here, that is category and subcategory combined. And now you have to drag it on the row shelf ahead of the rest of the dimension. And now you can see combined field is added over here, and because of this we can also see the repeated row labels for the category for each subcategory. So this is how we can show the repeated row labels in Tableau using the combined field. And in this also you can remove the column in the similar way like we did in the first method, that is click on the field in the rows and uncheck show header. So this is how you can do it using the combined field. And the last method is using the combined calculated field. So the combined calculated field is similar to the method that we have done right now. It is just that we are doing it using the formula. So here I will create a calculated field and here I will label the field as combined, and then I will enter the formula. So it will be category plus, and in the same way you can add other fields also that you want to add and repeat the row labels for. And after this click on the OK button. So this is the combined calculated field that you have created right now. So here I will remove the combined field that we have created in the second method, and here I will drag this one again to the row shelf. So here you can see it working in the same way like the second method. So it is showing the repeated row labels for the category for the subcategories. And here also I'm going to remove the column. So for that, click on the field in the shelf and select and uncheck show header. So these were the three ways by which you can show the repeated row labels in Tableau. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.